Next question from NEET 2018 from the chapter Waves. Okay, please see the question. A tuning fork is used to produce a resonance of the glass tube. Okay, the length of the air column in the tube can be adjusted by the variable piston. Okay, at room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced at 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter of on length. Okay, so if the frequency of the tuning fork is 320 Hz, then the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so actually what is given in the question? Listen, they mention about the glass tube. Okay, so say for example I draw here. Okay, it is a glass tube. Okay, this is glass tube. If you observe that this glass tube, it is like as a closed organ pipe. So closed organ pipe, one side will be closed, then another end will be open. But open organ pipe means both sides will be open. So it is like a closed organ pipe. So generally here the natural frequency, that minimum at the end, okay, at the end node will form, or at the base node will form, and then open position antinode will form. So generally it's natural frequency to form the length of the tube we can write as, that is L is equal to, so you know that how much amount of wave will form? Only the lambda by 4. Okay, you know very well, this is like full wave, the full wave. This one is half wave. This is like 1 by 4 wave. So one node will form, see that? So one node will form, then here and here antinode will form. Okay, so this is like lambda by 4. Okay, this is lambda by 4. So now this is actually in the glass tube. But in the question, by using the piston, they adjust the length. Okay, now see that in the same structure, I can write as here, in the same structure. Okay, so please listen. So now let us imagine it is like a piston. Here one piston is there. Okay, this is the piston. This is the piston. So we can adjust the piston. Okay. So now I have to adjust the piston. So already here reading is mentioned. Here reading is mentioned. For example, here. Okay, it is starting place. For example, 0. Then after that, 20. Then 40. Then 60. Then 80. And something like that. Okay, so some reading is there. Okay, like a measuring scale. Okay, so now we observe that the resonance condition in between 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter. Okay, so for example, now the piston is here. Now we adjust the piston. Okay, now we adjust the piston. So here the reading is 20 centimeter. Okay, here they set one more reading is, that is 73. That is 73 centimeter. Okay, so here the tuning fork is used to produce. So here they are using one tuning fork. Okay, we vibrate, so it's to produce some frequency. So it will be to travel inside. Okay, it will be travel to inside and get reflect back. Then it's to form standing wave. Okay, so for understanding purpose, I can draw the standing waves inside, because two identical waves travel in opposite direction, after reflection, to form standing wave. So here, to produce two successive resonance, see that this is like that. Here one node will come, then one more node will come. So this is two successive. So here two node will come. Okay, so here actual length is what? Okay, so now I taken as this is like L1. Okay, now it is like L2. Okay, so please listen here. Actually here the wavelength is, we can say that is L2 is equal to L2. Up to here half wave, then up to here 1 by 4 wave. So half wave and quarter wave, that is 3 by 4 wave. So 3 by 4 lambda, that is L2. Clear? Yes. So now we have to find what is that, this difference, because its starting value, it's a starting value, there is a 0, but we got the resonance point in between these 2 points. Okay, so now I have to take minus, that is a L1 minus L2. Okay, L1 minus L2. So I take, that is at let's say L1 this one. So L1 is that is a 73 centimeter, minus L2 is that is a 20 centimeter. Okay, the likewise L1. So this is like L1. I think this is L2. Okay, so now that L1. Okay, then what about L1 now? That is at 3 by 4 lambda in terms of lambda, length in terms of lambda, that is 3 by 4 lambda. Then minus, what about L2? L2 I can write as S, that is lambda by 4, so 1 by 4 lambda. Okay, 1 by 4 lambda. Okay, so now 3 by 4 lambda minus 1 by 4 lambda, so remaining what? That is half lambda. Okay, so that is half lambda or lambda by 2, okay, half lambda or lambda by 2. So this value, this is a 53 centimeter into lambda by 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to, this is like 106 centimeter. Okay, it is like 106 centimeter. Then the next one, we know very well the relationship between the frequency and the wavelength, because the frequency produced by the tuning fork is given, that is F is equal to 320 Hz. 320 Hz. So now I can apply here. So formula V is equal to mu lambda or F lambda. Okay. So now we need the velocity of sound only. So velocity of sound is equal to, what about frequency? The given frequency is 320 into the wavelength. Wavelength 106 centimeter. So 106 centimeter, that is 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay. So if you observe 320 into 106, I can write as that is 33920, then into 10 power minus 2. Okay. So this is, we can write as the 2 decimal back. So 339.2 meter per second. Okay. So actually this is the answer. So this option is matched with 339. So option B is correct answer. Okay.